friends, welcome to Mindful Cooking at Geetha's Kitchen. I hope you are all good and healthy. If you love food, the best way to follow your passion is to get into the kitchen and try out as many recipes as possible. Today, we are going to make a very easy sweet to sweeten your holidays. I made this sweet for Diwali. It is traditionally called the 7-cup sweet. I made a simple variation of this recipe and tried to make it healthier by not compensating on the taste. Vegans, please substitute with vegan butter and almond milk. Diwali is one of the major festivals of India. It spiritually signifies the victory of light over darkness. For making this sweet, I used 1 cup besan, 3/4 cup olive oil, 1/4 cup ghee, 1 cup grated coconut, 2 to 3 cups of sugar, 1 cup low-fat milk. Heat 1/4 cup ghee. Add 1 cup besan. Lower the heat. Roast the besan and ghee mixture on a low flame till it starts giving off an aroma. Add 1.5 to 2 cups of sugar. Mix well. Add cardamom powder. It is optional. Add 1 cup of grated coconut. Add 1 cup of milk. I used non-fat milk. Add 3/4 cup of oil. I used olive oil. You can use vegetable oil or corn oil or any type of cooking oil. Stir till there are no lumps. Add more sugar if needed. Let the mix boil in medium heat. Keep stirring. Nice aroma is coming out. The aromatic ingredients in your food have been known to curb stress. Studies show that aroma can reduce level of cortisol, the stress hormone. Cooking involves a fair share of creativity. When exercising your creativity, you put a lot of thoughts and care into making your food. By doing so, your food will be sweet and you will feel better. I do several trial runs of recipes before locking down the final formula. Now you can see the mixture is frothy and it starts leaving the sides of the pan. The mix is ready now. It took about 15 minutes of stirring. Grease a deep pan with ghee. Pour the mix to the pan. Decorate with nuts. Let it cool for 1 to 2 hours. Cut it and leave it in the pan. Let it completely cool and then separate the sweets. The sweet is very soft and melts in your mouth. Wishing you all a very happy festival season that brings happiness, prosperity, and joy to you and all your family. May hope and happiness shine on you. Be safe and take care. Thank you for watching. Please try the recipe and leave comments. Please like and subscribe to Geetha's Kitchen. Thank you.